how are you doing? Thanks so much for coming. It's great to see such a great crowd, and thanks for supporting such a worthy cause. It's so close to Christmas, and it's a charity that means a lot to so many of us. So yeah, thanks so much for coming. So we're going to continue on now with a tune that was composed by O'Carolan. And for any that don't know who O'Carolan is, Turlough O'Carolan was a blind harper who had really strong connections to this area, and he composed this next tune, which I think was the 18th century. I'm not too great at dates, but yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. It's called Clergy's Lamentation. So yeah, thank you.
That's Aoife Dignan from Arena, everybody.
We don't really know what we're doing. But we'll wing it.
Aoife Dignan, Holly Hopper, and Rian Kennedy.